Oh boy. Look at this mess at the time. And you mean to tell me Tracy is not here as yet? What am I gonna do with all of this? No. This girl really, I really can't bother with this anymore. Right now I'm so fed up and frustrated of this girl. I would have gotten rid of her a long time myself, you know. I wouldn't even ask Skinny for help. But because she knows too much, and I know if I try anything, she's gonna sink me first, and I can't afford for my plans to be ruined. No. So what am I gonna do? The first time in my life I've seen so many dirty dishes. Dirty plates everywhere. No. Lord, show me the way. Show me the way. Look at the time. I'm just
Cookie.
fed up. Yes,
Good
Pops.
morning. Why
Good morning.
so much noise out here?
Pops, can you see the time? And Tracy is not at work yet, Pops.
So what time is it, Cookie?
Dad, it's after 11.
But maybe she's tired or something.
Pops tired?
Yes,
Look at
Cookie.
the hour. She should have already gotten here so she can get everything started in the kitchen.
But Cookie, remember,
Dad.
she do it very hard, you know.
Need to get rid of her. Can't you see, Father, the stress that she's bringing in this house?
But why? She's not bringing any stress,
She's
Cookie.
not even doing her own job. Am I the one who's supposed to wash the dirty dishes?
Okay, let's do it for today.
But
'cause
I
you
should
don't
be
know what time
keeping
she's
all
going.
my strength and energy for your grandson. Remember, I'm working on bringing...
I know that, Cookie. But don't worry, it's just a one-day thing.
Dad, we need to get rid of Tracy.
So why you want to get rid of Tracy
Because
so
she's
much?
not doing her job.
I'm here and I see all the job that she's doing. So I don't want you to tell me that she's not doing her job. Because I'm here. It's not like you're going to call me and say, Dad, Tracy's not doing her job. I see what she's doing.
Okay, so why are the kitchen full of dirty dishes?
Because you guys use it and left it there. And she's not
She's
here
getting-
at work. So you guys have to clean your mess up.
She's getting paid to wash the dirty dishes, so why should we wash it, Dad?
But Cookie, she's not here. What are you going to do? Let it stay there all day?
We should be getting rid of her so that we won't be wasting our hard-working money, Dad.
You should get rid of the dirty dishes in the sink.
Dad, think
Cookie.
about it. Just think. A house that we all unite, get someone better than Tracy is not the right person for the job.
Why you hate Tracy so much, Cookie?
Dad, I love Tracy. I love the girl from my heart, but she's just too hard to deal with, Dad.
No, you is the one that's hard to deal with. Cause why? I'm okay with Tracy. Skinny's okay with Tracy. I don't really have a problem with her.
Really?
No, I don't really have a problem with her.
Okay, Dad.
You are the one creating all the problem, Cookie.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yes.
Okay. Go and consider what you say. If it was you in the situation, would you want someone to just kick you out your work like that? Just watch and see, and let's see what time she's gonna come, okay?
Okay, Dad, okay.
Yeah. I don't know why she does have a hard time with Tracy. I wonder if Tracy will take her man. Tracy must have take her man if she go on so. To bluff.
I've got so well. See nobody. See nobody. Still take a look. Nobody not see me. Too skilled, man. Well skillful. You know, young man, I work, dog, call me a worker. You know, young man, I work, dog, call me a worker. Youth, yeah. I know a long time me there do some hard work. Clean up a garden, yeah, me there a long time. And from 2016, me there upon the work. And me not stop because me have to get pay. And me want to own some big car, own some big house. Yeah, own some big car, own some big house. Yeah. You know, young man, I work, dog, call me a worker. Yeah. Worker. I know a long man I work, dog, call me a worker. Worker!
Oh, that sound like my man. Dad, were you singing just now? I could have sworn I heard somebody singing. Okay. I know I heard somebody. If it's Touch. I just know that's Touch. I can feel him. I can smell him.
Yeah, we been at work. Yeah, me been at work. Yeah, I saw me the panny dirty go. Watch him, see now. Been at work. Yeah, been at work. Yeah.
Touch, babe.
Hey!
Baby. I miss you so much.
Miss me? Can't believe it. Let me get the time and a chance now for me to put in belly. What's up?
Oh my God. Why you so late, by the way?
We are talking about late.
Why you so late?
You mean late? It's easy, man. It's calm, I'm not late. Depend time, I always spend time.
Oh my God. You don't know how amazing it feels. Like I was having such a bad day. Our maid didn't show up. We had chaos and everything.
I'm there now, man. I'm there.
So
Everything
happy
there.
that you're here. I can feel my heartbeat racing.
No easy, you know. See your face. See, you look nice, though.
Thank you.
Beautiful to the man.
Oh my God. I'm gonna have to buy a couple shirt. This one looks washed out. But
Think so,
anyway.
don't?
Oh my God.
I don't know what happened.
I'm just so happy that you're here.
There, man, I go and do the work, you know.
I
Make it
miss
thing,
you
but
like, oh.
I'm there now.
Babe, I can see that you're doing the little work, but I needed to do the big work on the lawn.
More them hedges. Rummage hedges.
Oh my God, you just brighten up my entire day. You know, Tracy didn't show up. I think she knows something about us. I know she's using it as leverage. She's trying.
Listen. Take your time. Take your time and think for a second. Tracy, this is not our problem anymore. I can assure you. Listen. Let me talk. Tracy, it's not our problem anymore. Tracy actually get through the farm work program.
What?
Let me hear the news. A little birdie tweet and tell me.
Really? Lies.
Yes.
Stop it.
What kind of lie?
Oh, did you?
Listen, it's a little birdie tweet and tell me.
Oh, Dad, stop.
No, real talk, man, real talk.
She's out of her life for good.
I cannot hear me, I say.
What?
You happy? You happy? I say I can be happy, man. Oh, yeah, man, things are alright, yeah?
I can't believe.
Yeah,
I can't believe it. No, you're kidding.
no, I tell you the real truth. She gone.
No more, Tracy.
Me say she dep on a bus, I go here, airport. Me say, what?
But wait, she didn't inform us or anything.
No, you know, so I saw people staring down there. I'm not going to do them little thing, and I really want everybody to know them little thing. I can't, I'm going to blame her neither, you know, because I guess, you know, it's a thing, no, not them time I have to keep things. Yeah, but, I tell you, if you think are alright.
Well, I'm happy for her. We have all the freedom. Well, we have more freedom now. Because she has been a pain.
Why?
And she wasn't even doing her job. I'm so happy.
So I'm going in the house.
Well, Pops is in the house. Cooking, skinny. He's sleeping. So the maid is not here. And Pops is doing the maid's job and Skinny is sleeping as always.
So that means we have a look, you know, you have to pre out the routine, you know, we can have a look at sweet time. You know, them look in between part there, just dodge them look a bit and we get a look at time like this, you know.
Yeah. Wait.
So sweet though.
As always. Babe, you're so sweet. Like, just having your presence around. Oh my God. You wouldn't even understand. I'm so in love right now.
Hey.
Oh, it's tired.
She lumber.